Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains two different concepts or unique trends into one embroidery style. That is, whole of these embroidery patterns are totally used or made or completed by the art of borderline embroidery. Embroidery borders have been used to design neckline, front shirt border, sleeves border, back side shirt border, and many more creativities. But the design pattern is totally based on embroidery borders. So in my previous videos where I have shared thousands of millions of design ideas of borderline embroidery specifically that are totally made of handmade, handwork, hand art or thread work, which is termed as hand embroidery, I have shared. But today I decided that apart from DIY decor ideas, home decor accessory items, how we can use borderline embroidery designs for making dresses, for making or designing necklines, sleeve border, whole shirt or dress or kameez designs. Even you can use these very beautiful patterns as a border to your trousers and the four corners of your stroller, dupatta, shawl, and even you can also design them onto your baby girl dresses as I have shown in the previous design. So guys, I would recommend you to do try these patterns. And if you are an embroidery beginner and in search of good, easy and trendy hand embroidery designs, then guys, this video collection is an absolute treat for you that is free of cost. And if you really like the design ideas of our today's content, then please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And do appreciate us, keep loving us, keep watching our content as you always have been, because with your love and support, we can grow. And without your love and support, we are nothing. So, guys, thank you so much for watching my content and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, beautiful, stylish, trendy ideas and stay tuned for the more new, upcoming, latest and trendy design ideas and design collections on my channel. And I have shared millions of design ideas of hand embroidery as per categorization: hand embroidered footwear, hand embroidered bags, hand embroidered jewelry items, hand embroidered keychains, hand embroidered mobile covers, hand embroidered cushion covers, pillow covers, curtain embroidery, bedsheet embroidery, dresses, baby girl dress designing, gents kurta designing, baby boy dress designing, and much more creativity. So go on, explore my channel and keep enjoying the new and trendy design ideas on daily basis. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe.